Welcome to GMA Integrated News Interviews, Legazpi Family. Okay, I must say this, dati, small doses lang yung interviews ko ng
Yes.
Legazpi Family. It's either you or dalawa kayo. Pero ito,
Apat na, di ba?
Okay, hating kapatid. I know matagal na matagal yung hinintay ito. How's the feeling na after so many years na sinabi mo nga the previous interview, kala mo comedy or sitcom ito, and then now biglang heavy drama?
Ibang-iba. Ibang-iba sa personalidad namin, ibang-iba sa realidad ng pamilya. Kasi kami, very chill lang kami. Alam mo yon, yung gusto lang namin yung masaya lang, nagtatawanan lang. Hindi kami madramang mga tao. Pero with this one, of course, alam naman natin kapag teleserye talagang heavy drama, pang hapon pa. Pero siguro gusto ko siyang tingnan on the positive side na it's really a challenge for each and every one of us. Kahit sabihin mong ako matagal na ako sa industriya na I've been doing drama, kami dalawa ni Zoren, it's still a challenge for me. At meron pa rin akong kaba na nararamdaman every single time na meron akong bagong programa at every time nagtitaping ako, hindi ako kampante na dapat feeling ko hindi talaga mawawala yung kaba na yon. Kasi pag may kaba ka, you're always on your toes. I don't wanna be complacent na, kaya ko na yan, marunong ko na, alam ko na yan, natagal ko na, never ako naging ganyan.
But how much more? Kasama mo pa yung pamilya mo dito.
That's why may dobling kaba, pero hindi siya nasa negative side. Kaba na at the same time, excitement. Kaba kasi para it's our first time working together, tapos yung genre pa, drama. So alam mo yung, it's interesting, curious, yung parang mixed emotions yung nararamdaman ko.
Sinabi mo before na hinintay talaga na mabakante lahat ng schedules mo.
Yes. We heard about the news na magkakaroon kami ng project, I think, November 2024. At the time, meron pa siyang show ng Abot Kamay. Then ako, I was casted dun sa Sanggang Dikit. Oo, they had to pull me out. Tinanggal nila ako dun para makumpleto yung cast. So, yeah, it was a long wait. But it was worth it kasi yung script, yung binabasa amin yung storyline, na mangha kami sa storyline. So, pag papanoorin mo nga yung trailer, you cannot pinpoint, ano ba istorya nito? Sino ba yung magkakapatid? Mag-asawa ba si Carmina, si Zoren? Parang hindi ata.
Oo nga kasi when I was watching the trailer, naguluhan ako na parang, wait, parang hindi kayo pamilya doon
Hindi kami pamilya.
Doon. So, walang Legazpi family doon sa ano. Wow.
We'll see. We'll see na lang.
Okay.
Let's
Oo,
see.
di ba parang, sa umpisa,
Oo.
yes, oo. Kaya ngayon kaya ngayon maganda kasi iisipin mo, since we are a family, di ba, akala mo, yun na yung role namin. Yun lang, at yun lang ang storya tungkol lang sa pamilya. Pero hindi Kapag sinubaybayan mo, kapag pinanood mo, marami pala. Marami pala itong pupuntahan. Marami palang mga sikretong mabubunyag pa. Marami palang mga twists and turns.
Doon din sa trailer, merong part doon na na-arrest yung attention ko na parang nanganak na yung role ni Carmina. Pero parang sinabi yata nung, I don't know, kumadrona or nung OB na
OB.
parang buntis siya.
Buntis ka pa.
Kapag. So, how's that? Like,
Actually
nakaanggulo.
kami, nagulat din kami na kasi syempre alam namin na ang kambal namin, eto kambal, fraternal twins. Yun lang naman alam natin, fraternal twins, identical twins, Siamese twins, yung mga kung ano-ano, 'di ba? Pero ito na meron palang delayed. May tawag sila delayed pregnancy ba o delayed, basta may delayed
something
something.
like that, no?
Na-
Which happens in real
Yes.
life.
Na kaya nga, because of the show, meron pa kaming natutunan, may additional info pa na meron pala na pwede palang mangyari. Na mangyayari lang yun, of course, kapag hindi ka nagpapacheck up sa OB mo, pag walang ultrasound, of course, you wouldn't know. Ang role kasi ni Rosel, kamadrona, sa probinsya nanganak, so wala namang ultrasound nun, wala din namang means para makapagpa-check up siya. Kaya nanganak na siya, na thinking na isa lang yung anak niya, pero bakit ganun? Parang may gumagalaw-galaw pa rin. Yung pala, meron pa palang isa pa. So, i-ano mo pa rin siya, as kambal pa rin. Yun nga lang, delayed lang yung pagkalabas. Kasi diba usually delayed lang ng 2 minutes,
Oo.
ilang minutes lang.
Or kahit na isang oras
Oo,
or 2 hours.
diba?
pwede.
O todo mo na, kahit isang araw. Sige, pero ito, buwan, na meron palang ganong nangyari.
Wow.
Kaya nga sabi ko, it's interesting kasi we
Really
learned
interesting.
something from this show.
Pero yung mga kissing scene nyo, kinikilig yung mga tao Nakita ko yun, pero nakita ko si Cassie, sabi niya talaga, no, I don't wanna watch this.
Nakaka-conscious kasi. People think pag meron mga kissing scene, parang, lalo na kunyari, mga bagets pa kami noon, no? Kunyari, kami noon, bagets, may mga kissing scene.
Hanggang ngayon naman.
Oo, so may mga kaibigan ko, oy, nakalikan mo sa ganyan, sige. No, it's not, kumbaga, hindi, yung
Comfortable.
iniisip nyo, hindi comfortable. It's, ang daming camera, ang daming tao na nanonood. Siyempre, lalong nakaka-conscious kung, asawa mo pa hinahalikan mo, ganyan. So, at the same time, you're portraying a role na, kasi, siyempre, pag naghalik sa totoong buhay, wala.
There we go. Prepare the look.
Walang acting eh. Ito, acting mo. May kasamang acting nung
At
according to your
daming
character.
nanonood,
Oo.
di ba?
Tsaka hindi naman tayo yun as Chris and as Roselio. So talagang may acting involved pa rin talaga. Pero I agree with you kasi never naman ako talagang naging comfortable having kissing
Kissing
scenes.
scene.
Kung makikita mo naman yung mga ano ko, wala naman, if ever lang, pa-smack-smack lang. Hindi talaga ako comfortable kahit nung dalaga pa ako. Never yata akong gumawa ng mga ano, or kung meron man pa isa o dalawa lang kasi nga...
Ba't pumayag ka dito?
Kasi napilitan ako actually. So hindi talaga.
I'm doing it for the sweldo.
Yeah, for the for the sake of art.
Pero teka, awkward na naman na yung usapan Yung awkward ko na rin si ate.
Okay.
First time ko nakita mag-swimsuit.
Ay.
Oh. Oh,
Ay,
yes.
sorry inilabas na rin naman yung trailer.
Yes.
Makikita na rin nila yan
Yeah.
How's that for you?
Actually, ang dami kong first sa show na to and I made it a point to not say no and to keep saying yes to a lot of things para maiba naman, to show different parts or different sides of me. And again, for the love, for the art of it. Yes.
Did it take a lot of convincing?
Yes.
Para...
Actually,
Or when you saw the script? Sige, game ako dyan.
when I saw the script, medyo di naman natakot, but I got a bit nervous na, okay, I think, this is it. Bahala na, gawin ko na. And I think I want to do it also for myself, to prove to myself na alam mo, I worked so hard to get to where I am now in terms of my confidence. I-push na natin to. I think it's time to show the world where I am in terms of my confidence. So, i-go na natin to. And I think this is the perfect platform to do it. Kasi I just think of it as, okay, hindi yan si Cassie, si Belle ang rumarampa na naka-swimsuit, si Belle yan. So parang Belle is the person who made me brave enough to do that.
The last interview I had with you was about a year ago, no?
Yeah, I
And
think so po,
Something
yeah.
like that. Pero sabi mo, you lost a lot of weight. But grabe ngayon.
Yes.
What's the secret there?
I think I just finally put myself and my health first. I think a lot of people, especially when it comes to weight loss or even weight gain, people tend to overlook yung health. Ang isip po nila is, okay, aesthetic, doon tayo sa aesthetic. But I realized at the end of the day, it's really your health. So yun, nagpa-check up po ako and I found out na may hypothyroidism ako and decided it's time to take action na. Because I think I just left my hypothyroidism for a year or two and it just got worse. I got more sick. Ayun nga, I think last year was my wake-up call na I think I need to get my health in check. And the more I didn't focus sa aesthetics ko, doon po ako pumayat and I actually got stronger. Physically, I got stronger. So, yun. I focused on the inner and lumabas siya.
Pag pinapaliwanag niya sa akin yan, ang dami niyang sinasabi kasi in fairness naman sa kanya, pinag-aralan niya yung katawan niya.
Oh, yeah.
So you need to study and don't rely on your doctor because your doctor can only say so much. Ikaw yung nakakalam ng katawan mo And not all bodies are the same. siya pinag-aralan niya talaga yung katawan niya. Kagaya ng hormones, sabi niya, Tatay, alam mo ba yung hormones ng babae, hindi gaya ng ano lang ng lalaki na dalawang pinagdadaanan. Ang babae parang ganyan ang hormones niyan.
There's
Roller
a graph.
coaster.
There's a graph of
See?
it.
Paliwanag mo nga.
Wait lang, hindi ako doctor, so I don't want to
depende
ano.
sa age kasi depende sa age. Iba
Yeah.
talaga ang babae, yung hormones
Yes.
talaga nila. Talagang when you reach this age, ganito ang hormones mo. Kapag ganito, may perimenopausal. Kapag ganito, may menopausal. Paano na lang kung meron ka pang
Yeah.
problema sa thyroid mo? Ang dami. That's why, ang maganda rin, na very open din kami dalawa ni Cassie sa pinagdadaanan namin sa katawan namin. They also need to understand what we are going through. Mabuti na lang, we're very vocal na kailangan Kasi paano ka maiintindihan ng asawa mo or ng mga anak mo kung hindi mo sasabihin sa kanila, kung hindi mo explain sa kanila. Kasi baka isipin ng mga taon, ba to? Baka umaarte lang? Ano ba naman to? Bakit ganito? Minsan okay, minsan hindi. No, kasi kahit kami, hindi rin namin naiintindihan ang sarili namin. That's why you have to educate yourself and educate your family. Kung meron kang support system, kung nandiyan ang pamilya mo, hindi ka nila i-judge at talagang i-accept ka lang nila, then you'll be okay. Kasi eventually, ma-overcome mo din yan. Eventually, mawawala din yan. So you also have to help yourself and, yung awareness lang sa pamilya mo.
What was your initial reaction nung sinabi sa inyo, Mavi, Cassie, meron tayong project as a family?
Oh, of course, I love working with my family. Pero I didn't know what type of project this would be kasi parang I wanted if ever I worked with my family, yung something different naman. So sabi ko, maybe let's wait it out muna. Let's wait on what this project would be. Nung nalaman ko po na drama siya, dun ako okay, game. Game na ako. Because our family has never done drama together. We always do commercials and
But
then
I was thinking baka comfort
hosting.
zone mo ang drama.
Well, yun nga po So it's challenging for us because it's something we haven't done together. So iba na yung dynamics namin and all. So doon ako okay, game. Yes na ako. I'm excited and I want to meet my family individually as actors, as drama actors.
Wow!
I know you've done a lot before, pero this time kasi, iba yung dynamics ninyo and when you go to the set, iba yung magiging relasyon nyo as a family. Did it scare you in any way?
Siyempre nung una, maganalay, natakot ako. Not really takot actually, kinabahan ako, mas may kaba. Because before I accepted this project, matagal na akong di nakapag-serye because I really took a pause. So, I didn't want to be a burden to my family na wala akong warm-up, hindi ako magaling
nagkaroon ka
sa
ng
teleserye. So, there was a lot of doubts for me on my end. Pero, I realized the only opponent or enemy that I had was myself. Kasi wala naman nagsastop sa akin, ako lang nagsastop sa sarili ko. So I said, to get over that, you have to accept it and just give your best and the rest will follow. So that's what changed my mind na at the end of the day, they're my family, but also co-actors din that I've always wanted to work with. I've always wanted to work with V. Carmina Villaruel, V. Zorn Legaspi, and of course, my twin, si Cassie. And I would be missing such a great opportunity if I hadn't accepted this role. So, and since everything started, wala akong regrets. I can't say it's always smooth sailing, pero it's been an honor na I get to work with them because I learned so much already. And feeling ko, every time I learn something new, nag-i-improve ako every day.
Yeah.
So, every eksena, every sequence na ginagawa ko, laging sinasabi ng acting coach ko na, uy, ba't parang gumagaling ka? What's her? Because I get to learn with such beautiful and veteran actors by my side.
Wow naman.
Wow.
Pero lilinawin ko lang were you given a free hand in terms of the decision making kung tatanggapin nyo ba tong project nito o hindi or hindi, kailangan gawin natin to? Meron bang ganon?
Ano yan? Voting talaga yan.
Nag-voting kayo?
Yeah, pag meron isa talagang may ayaw, it's not gonna push through. And walang pilitan naman yan. It's just so happen na talagang maganda talaga yung script. It's the only reason why na napa-oo kaming lahat. That's it. It's the storyline na hindi pa namin so far sa tanda ko na sa industry, ngayon pa lang nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng storyline.
Kuya, sinabi mo nung nakakwentuhan kita tungkol dito sa sa role mo, sabi mo you wanted to expose or you wanted the world to know who Mavi is. What do you mean by
Definitely.
that?
Sinabi ko to actually sa media ko na matagal na akong hindi nakapagsalita, or I never gave myself the opportunity to open my heart to the world and to my followers and to my colleagues and
Bakit
especially
nga?
to my family, because it's my personality, you know. I'm very a peace first person talaga ako. I'm always about peace, love, happiness, and kung at peace ako, gusto ko at peace din yung pamilya ko. So I don't know. I think it's just really my personality. And
Hindi, I know,
yeah.
you're a man of few words.
Yeah,
Talaga.
so just this role, dito ko binuhos lahat ng gusto kong sabihin, gusto kong ipakita sa buong mundo, sa kapwa kong Pinoy na manonood, hopefully, ng ating kapatid. Kaya sinabi ko sa MediaCon, ito yung love letter ko para sa kanila, because lahat ng gusto nilang marinig sa akin or what they want to see from me, ito na yun. Kaya I wake up every day pag may taping, excited ako
So,
kasi...
paano mo ilalagay si Mavi doon sa
Yes,
sa
yes,
role,
yes.
no?
And not only that, but also makita nila sa not only sa acting or the way I deliver my words na may hugot dun eh. Kaya bawat eksena ginagawa ko na parang nagpo-post ako sa social media na this is my side, you know. So just watching this, ito na yung mismong love letter ko sa kanila.
May mga pinagdaanan ka before and
Oh yes, definitely. Mhm.
ayaw mo magsalita.
Yeah. Yeah.
Parang sabi mo sa akin, tito siya na lang.
That's true.
I don't know. Well, I have to give it to you.
Ano naman kasi ever since the family naman, pag meron mga controversies, we've been quiet. So no matter what, no one can force us to talk about it. So kung ano man yung mga istorya, you know, kumbaga kung ano yung gusto nilang paniwalaan, paniwalaan nila. But like I always say, itong pamilya, as you can see, we are a very peaceful family. Wala kaming kalaban, wala kaming mga kaaway. We get to sleep properly, mahimbing ang mga tulog namin. Itong dalawang kambal, maraming kaibigan. Same thing with her. So kami naman wala talagang kaaway. So if you going to judge the family just through our history, makikita nyong, mga tahimik sila. So, kung ang tahimik na pamilya or tahimik na tao ay siyang binabato, so, di bumato kayo. Kasi like I said, pinaliwanag ko nga kay Cassie, you know, ang social media nowadays is ganito let's say, let's slide a big transparent wall of glass. So sila, mga nanonood, nagbato ng putik, nagbato ng ganto, nagbato ng maruming ganito, poop, nagbato ng ganyan, fruits, ganyan. So social media world, yan ang tingin nyo sa amin. Maputik, madumi. But there is a freaking
There's a
wall.
wall. No.
Tanggalin mo yung wall, that's not us.
Ganun din ba yun? Yung mga intriga doesn't affect your home? Like, syempre, lumalaki na yung mga bata. Buti sana kung kayo lang dalawa ni Zoe.
You know, it can only affect you if it's true But if it's not,
No, yung importante talaga sa amin is if our colleagues say otherwise, then the truth will set us free. You know, wala kang maririnig sa colleagues namin na may masamang story, may masamang kaming nagawa. So, we're happy with that, and that's what keeps us at peace, because the people's word na who've been around us, you will never hear them say anything bad about us. And we're very blessed that we get to receive those good comments from them, because totoo yung sinasabi ni Papa Z na peaceful lang kami na pamilya. So, lahat ng tao na naniniwala sa fake news or whatsoever, then let them be. Kung at peace sila sa ganon, let them, you know. We don't go band for band with them. We don't fight back whatsoever. Yes, tao lang kami. It hurts to see those, but in the end of the day, what do they know? Diba? So,
Yun din yung sinabi ko sa kanila na let the people speak for us. Kasi lang marami nagsasabi, why don't you talk? Pati kayo magsalita, defend your ganto, ganyan. Hawak niyo yung katotohanan, you know the truth.
Pero Mina, I know you from way back eh. You're a very sensitive person eh.
Yes.
So it does affect you.
Of course. Yes. Yung sinasabi ni Zora na, kasi magkaiba kami eh, na yung sinasabi niya na, hindi totoo, kaya hindi kami affected. Pero ako kasi, na-affect ako kasi, why? Why is this happening and why are you doing this to our family? Na if you see our reputation, our records, yung pag tiningnan mo yung, 'di ba? Wala kaming nakaaway, wala eh, because natahimik lang kami, artista kami, oo. Open book yung ang aming buhay, pero never akong nakipag-away sa ganito. That is not me. Hindi kami ganon.
may mga taong talaga yan yung bread and butter nila na
Yeah.
kahit fake na yung news, pero it works in their favor. Finu-fuel lang nila kasi it works in their favor. Pero kami, no, we're
Wala
definitely
eh.
not
Is it
like
hard
that.
raising two famous kids?
Yeah, si Bunso, mahirap i-raise.
Oh, ito, grabe.
Ako kasi pagdating talaga namin sa bahay, hindi kami mga artista eh. Hindi mga ordinaryong tao lang kami. So, ang hirap nung sagutin na kung mahirap ba silang, whether artista o hindi sila mahirap palakihin.
Actually, yeah, never
Hindi.
nag-cross sa utak ko yan na now that you phrase it that way. Kasi minsan ito, aligaga, ang dami ginaganyan, sabi ko, ano ba to, feeling busy? But if you think about it, she is, kasi celebrity siya, maraming,
Daming ginagawa.
Maraming ginagawa, pero minsan tinitignan ko siya, ano ba to, nagbibisi-bisihan dahil laging nag sa computer, may kausap po, yung glam team niya, kausap niya yung para sa podcast niya, marami siyang ginagawa. But yeah, I never kong naisip na, ay, oo nga pala, celebrity kaya busy.
So, to answer your question, hindi mahirap.
Ngayon ko lang na,
Hindi sila mahirap.
Kaya mo lang na-realize, oo nga pala, no? Artista nga pala yung anak ko.
Baka nakakalimutan mo, magkasama kayo sa taping. Oo nga. Pero hindi sila mahirap.
No,
Hindi sila mahirap palakihin.
Because these kids are disciplined kids na talagang disiplinado naman talaga sila.
Siguro kasi nagsimula yan at a very young age, at an early age, talagang dinisiplina talaga namin. Lalo na si Zoren, talagang siya yung disciplinarian eh. So, growing up, talagang nadisiplina. Ako yung guidance na, okay, yung the usual, you
Pero
respect
di
your
ba, good
elders.
cop, bad cop yan eh.
It varies. So ngayon, kasi parang na-instill na na kumbaga na may foundation na yung kambal eh. So ngayon, it's just more of, actually wala na, siguro once in a while, constant reminders. Kasi nga, ang maganda sa pamilya namin, we are not perfect po pero we're very open eh. Of course, may mga things na, meron mga bagay na sa kanya lang, you call that respect. Ako na sa akin lang, kay tatay lang, kay Cassie lang. Pero yung respeto nandun, at saka, kinukwento namin yung kung ano yung dapat ikwento or very open kami.
Over dinner, gano'n.
At kahit hindi pa dinner.
Kahit hindi pa dinner.
Kahit ano pa yan.
Nagluluto ka pa lang.
Oo, kahit ano pa yan.
Viber group pa lang.
Oo, Viber group pa lang,
So may
nadudoon na
Viber
yan.
group kayo?
Yes.
So talaga nagkakaalaman.
But it doesn't feel like na parang, kailangan ko mag-report pala sa Viber.
Yeah.
There are times talaga hindi kami nagre-report because we're so busy.
Or Mabi, totoo ba to?
Because we're so busy, like what Papa Z said. Sometimes he forgets na, ay, mga celebrity pala itong mga anak ko.
Kaya naman pala sila mga dapat na may mga obligasyon pala
We
sila.
have our own worlds, no? Na minsan, pagdating sa bahay, pagod na pagod kami sa work, so hindi nagsasama-sama sa dinner sked or lunch sked. So, yung Viber, yung way of like, our group chat is way of updating.
Kasi talagang lumaki talaga to na kapag if it's eating time, we really make sure na we eat all together.
Saka it's part of yung childhood namin ni Cassie. Kahit sabihin nila na, ay, 2001 pala ko, ay, puro technology kayo. No, like,
Yeah.
our
Late na
first
nga.
ever technology, Sir Nelson, funniest thing, came from my mom's best friend, Ninang Jelly.
Yeah.
Miss Jelly
Kay
Develope.
Jelly.
Without her gifting us that
Thing.
console,
Game.
old school kami. So that's why now, kahit may mga cellphone whatsoever, hindi kami ma-cellphone sa table whatsoever. Kaya hindi siya naging adjustment. Yung parang nakikita mo sa ibang, when you go out in dinners or whatever, may tao na nakaganon na lang, kahit
Nakascroll.
nakaharap yung pamilya. Kami, hindi kami ganun. Like,
Magkasama nga, pa hindi naman nag-uusap, di ba?
Ay, talaga kayo, ini-instill nyo talaga na hindi.
tsaka hindi siya rule na parang, ay shucks, nandito si Ma tsaka si Papa, no cellphone. Parang normal na lang
Automatic
sa amin,
lang siya.
automatic lang sa amin na we want to converse with each other.
Kasi I had a taste of interviewing the Legazpi family as a whole a few weeks ago. Diba? It's one of the embargoed Victoria. At doon ko nakita na parang kung gaano ka-opinionated ang bawat isa sa inyo.
So imagine mo yung conversation namin, di ba?
I mean, saglit lang yung interview.
I
Pero
know.
grabe yung ganito.
Yeah.
Parang, oh my God.
Mas gusto ko na yung marami kayong opinion because nga, we're very open. It doesn't matter kung siya nagsabi o ano, open kami. Kasi kahit na magulang kami, we still learn from them.
At saka may sari-sariling buhay. Si Maverick may sariling group of friends yan. Siya meron sariling group of friends. Siya meron. Ako din meron. Which are the dogs.
Oh, wow. Wow, you have lots of
Hindi,
friends.
mas marami akong kaibigan.
Ang dami nga, iba't ibang aspect eh.
Sabi ko nga.
Oo, iba sa motorsiklo mo, sa bisikleta.
Oo.
Okay.
So, yun. So, meron siyang sariling story because may sarili siyang buhay. May sarili siyang buhay. Ang dami niyang kwento. Siya din, meron ganun. So,
So, nag-updatean kayo.
yeah, kaya
At the end of the
maraming
day.
input. Hindi, mali dun sa mga balita na very sakal tong dalawa. No way.
At tanongin na
No
lang natin
way.
sila, kayo ba kasi do you feel na parang, ako na talaga yung host eh.
I know, right?
Kasi ang hirap naman pag nanggagaling sa amin. So, mas maigi siguro na. So, kung sila yung tanungin mo, kung do they feel na parang nasasakal ba sila? Wala ba silang freedom to, kayo na lang
Okay,
siguro.
like, connected sa sinabi ko, Sir Nelson, na yung pagbaba pa lang ng cellphone kasi interesado kami makipag-usap sa kanila, that shows we're so comfortable
Yeah.
talking to them. Because if we're not comfortable, I'd rather just talk to my friends on my phone, check
Totoo yan.
the Blue
Totoo.
app or the camera app, di ba? Yung mga
Ikaw,
apps na
Cassie,
yun.
what
Social
can you say?
media.
Ako no. I think our parents raised us perfectly, as I would say. Yes. And this mama, there's so many times, so why? Oh, especially, why? But why? I always ask, bakit ganito? Bakit? Why? Kaya,
Ito, mahirap tong anuhin. Kunyari, teenage years, uwi ka maaga ha. Bakit? Hindi mo pwede sabihin
Yes.
dahil babae ka.
I know.
Ano doon
Ayoko
kailangan
ng ganun.
paliwanag mo? Kasi ito, hindi uwi maaga eh.
bakit si Mavi?
Bakit si Mavi? Hindi mo naman pwede sabihin. Kasi lalaki siya. Hindi pwede yun. Ito, kailangan papaliwanag mo talaga. Teka muna.
Parang ako yung magulang.
Wala pang chat GPT doon.
Wala ka pang call a friend.
Wala pa eh. Papaliwanag mo.
Eh,
But why? Why?
Kasi po, I guess I always want to understand. I think at a very young age, I believe I've always had a mature mindset. So I always ask why. I also want to understand it para the next time, for example, uwi ka ng maaga, next time I'll understand, okay, I'll go home early because this. Pero I won't accept, uwi ka ng maaga kasi babae ka, tapos siya hindi. No way.
You cannot guard your children 24/7 because you have to expose them sa real world. Pag nasa bahay sila, of course, they're gonna be protected because nandun sila safe, nila yun eh. Safe, nila yan, kumbaga, safe zone nilang bahay eh. But hindi sila pwedeng nasa bahay lang. Most of the time, nasa labas yan. Umpisa pa lang, nasa school na yan. Ayan, tapos sa trabaho, sa kaibigan.
Was it hard protecting them?
Mahirap kasi kung ako, gusto ko talaga dito lang kayo. Nervyosa akong nanay. Gusto ko, kumbaga parang ako na lang ang masaktan, wag na kayo. Kasi nga,
Lilipad na kami.
ang reasoning ko, hindi ko sila pwedeng ganunin. Kailangan ko silang i-set free, kailangan ko silang i-expose sa real world. And that's what we did.
Yan,
Kaya,
so sasagutin ko na sa lahat ng tao nagsasabi na bawat galaw namin ay pinapaalam po namin kay Mama. Hindi na. I mean, we just let them know. Both of them. We just let them know
Ito,
that
true
we're gonna be
yeah.
doing our own thing. Because in the end of the day, we already proved na
yeah.
wala kaming masamang ginagawa.
True story,
ano.
May araw na hindi umuwi. Ito,
Maverick.
Si Maverick, para lang malaman natin na he's out there. He's out there, you know, his own journey, you know. Hanggang ba't di ba umuwi yan? Hanggang nalaman namin na merong ka-roommate pala yan na best friend niya na nakishare sa condo unit ata. Na doon tumitira. Na hindi namin alam. See, ang ibig ko sabihin, hindi yan nagpapaalam ng mga ganon. Nandun na pala, namili ng mga furniture, namili
meron
ng
na
ganito.
pala siyang sariling
Bumukod ka na nang hindi pa alam.
Bumukod na hindi namin alam.
Pero unti-unti naman na, ay, you know what, tatay, mama, si ganito, sinabi na yung name, he got his own place, ganyan-ganyan. I'm thinking of, you know, getting another room, dun sa other room. May paunti-unti naman siya, hindi naman biglang, nawala na yung anak ko, hindi naman gano'n. That's why, meron siyang bagong set na, yung mga bago niyang stuff, na yun yung sinasabi niya na, hindi namin sila sakal. Pero yun nga, inuunti-unti na kami because nga...
It's
at the
respect and everything. It's
Exactly, I
still
was
respect,
about to say
diba?
that. At the end of the day, it's still respect.
And plus, you want to be your own person.
Exactly. Ay, hindi ko sila pwedeng
Kaya Sir Nelson, I really don't understand pag yung mga keyboard warriors sinasabi na bakit kailangan sabihin sa magulang nyo ang gagawin nyo? Like, it's just respect. Hindi naman kami nagpapaalam. Like, at this
Nagsasabi.
point now, hindi na ako nagpapaalam na, Ma, Pa, can I go? Like, wala nang ganun.
Kasi na-establish na siguro yung trust. Na-establish na may respeto sa isa't isa. Nervyosa kasi ako at maaalalahanin. Ay, tama ba yun? Yun, I worry a lot. Pero kung alam ko where they are, okay, I'm good. Pag
Basta
sinabi
you're
niyo lang,
safe?
alam ko kung nasa, at saka pag sinabi nasan anak mo, ayoko naman yung, hindi ko alam. Ayoko naman na ganun, diba? At least pag kasama yung kaibigan niya. O tapos ang usapan, nanood ng sine. Ay, nanood ng concert. O di tapos. Parang feeling
Tsaka,
ko.
some people might take that the wrong way na parang, still, nag-update pa rin si Cassie at si Mavi sa'yo. The reason why we update is because we're not scared to update because we're not doing anything. Ako,
Exactly.
I would beg to differ yung mga nagsasabi nun na, ba't kailangan nyo mag-update? Sila ayaw mag-update because may ginagawa silang masama. Kami ni Cassie, wala kami
Or
ginagawa
hindi natin
masama.
alam yung dynamics ng family.
Unang-una, you know, like I said, you know, really, it's becoming toxic ang social media kasi. Toxic na yan. Very, very toxic. So, for example, you know, they would invade yung kung ano house rules ng family. It's our house rules, man. Hindi naman kami nakikialam sa house.
Wala naman kayo sa bahay namin.
Oo. And if you check us out, I mean, maligaya kami, makikita nyo naman. No one's here is fake na, nagtatawanan na ng kunyari dito.
Ito na,
You know, totoo yung nakikita nyo, totoo. So,
what you see is
off-cam,
what you get.
Yeah, it may sound cliche, but yeah, what you see is what you get.
Ang ibig sabihin, come on guys, may kanya-kanya tayo. Yung sa amin, makikita nyo naman very intact ang family. So, ibig sabihin, so far, we're doing well, we're doing good. Makikita nyo, wala sa aming humihikbi o umiiyak dito at parang makikita mong nalulunod sa masyadong pagka-stricto ng mga magulang. Walang ganon. Even yung finances nila, wala kaming pakialam sa mga pera ng mga yan. Kanila yan. Di ko alam kung ano naman ang bank account nila. Pero alam ko bank account niya kasi akin din yung...
Pa-share naman. Oh.
Share naman yung
Let's talk about your love life. Una-una pa kinilig yung nanay niya. Oh. Kamusta na kayo?
We're doing great. I mean, it's been the best. And honestly, for the longest time, siya yung hinahanap ko. Yung taong bibigyan ng time for myself. At gusto din niya yung time for herself also. And we both respect it. You know, I mean, ayoko yung competition kasi na, uy, nakarami ka ng hangout with your family, ako naman. Nakarami ka ng hangout with your friends, ako naman. Ayoko yung ganun. Like, if I want to hang out with my friends, it's because I want to hang out with my friends. Pero syempre, kasama siya. It's just that there are times na you just want to be with your friends. And also for her also, there are times I'm with her friends, but there are times na she's with her friends, I'm not with her. And that's okay because we built a
So
solid
are you
foundation.
saying mature love?
Yes, it's very, very mature. And I'm so surprised that may taong ganun pala. You know, it's very surprising because I've known her for a long time already. It's just that I didn't know our worlds would meet. You know,
As friends, no?
Yeah, also, and yung kung saan ako natutuwa actually is first time pa lang na bumisita siya sa family house, parang magkakapatid na sila. So, I was like, oh wow, I think I hit jackpot.
Lalo na itong dalawa pag nag-usap. Ikwento mo, Mavi, kasi yung kunwari sila nag-video call silang dalawa.
Oh,
O
yeah.
ang ending, sino na ang kausap?
And Sir Nelson, just to put the icing on the cake, I am so grateful, not only to her, but to God, syempre, is that in the end of the day, yung nakikita sa social media, yung fake news whatsoever, in the end of the day, it will always be fake news because there is someone who can love me and my family so much, even with all the fake news out there. Doon ako naging sentimental na yes, totoo nga, may nagmamahal pa rin sa amin. And there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. You know, she's not only like taking advantage of the situation na kasi some people, the keyboard warriors are saying there na ay kaya siya nandun is because nag-cast family kami. No, it's not because of that. She has so much blessing coming from such a successful season ng PBB, no? Like, she always has so much
Nababalik ka
blessings.
ulit, ha?
Yeah, I'm so grateful.
May singing ko na, mabalik ka ulit.
So, I'm just so happy na we get to have our own time for ourselves. And I get to have my time for myself, you know? Because yung pagiging actor, ang daming factors na kailangan gawin. Kailangan yung sa trabaho, and to look good, how do you look good? Magpapaderma ka, mag-gym ka, diba? So, it takes so much time, especially with the traffic nowadays, you know? So, it makes it, it's like, I am not caged na parang, shucks, kailangan yung schedule na to para kay Ash lang to. Like, no, it's like, she'll understand na 2 hours ako sa gym eh. Alam mo naman, traveling time is another 2 hours going and going home. So, I hope you understand if I get home, pagod ako. And she will say it not because, na sige, intindihan na lang kita. No, she says it with,
She understands talaga.
understands fully. Because she's also in that
Mature,
position.
no?
Super.
Mature.
So, it's been smooth sailing and people are people are wondering na parang kung I may not, it seems like now on social media I may not be the happiest because it's so much more happier if it's private. Sometimes, of course, I'm afraid to comment on her posts, sabihin ko maganda siya, or magpo-post kami together, and like, in a, what do you call that, yung mga carousel posts ng Instagram. But that's about it. That's all what you see. I'm not afraid to date her outside, but hindi
So
yung...
there's so much more
Yeah,
that
so
you're not
much
sharing
more.
on social
Oo,
media.
yeah. Kaya natatawa na lang kami pag nagbabasa kami ng comments na, ay, parang hindi siya masaya kasi hindi masyado nagpo-post. Oh!
Yun pala ang basis mo, nag-post ka pala, ibig sabihin happy ka. Diba?
Yung sagot niya, it only verifies yung inquiry. Kasi minsan 2 weeks na, parang hindi sila nagkikita. So sabi ko, nag-aaway kaya ito? Kasi hindi sila nagkikita. Yung pala, merong ganyan responsibility or mature thinking yung dalawa. Which is, is the correct way, I guess. Lalo na ngayon. Kasi yung age nila, they're in the age of building an empire.
Yes.
You build your empire. If you're in love na eh. That's it. But building the empire or, taking advantage of the opportunities and the upcoming opportunities, yan dapat ang hindi pinababayaan. Kasi kung kayo na eh. So, yeah, I'm happy to hear that na nagkakaroon sila ng time for themselves and understanding na, okay, you do that, I will do this. We create our own empire. Ganun.
I will turn the tables around this time.
Nandiyan ka pala?
Masaya naman si Kuya eh. Dapat
Kinig lang ako dito eh.
Dapat si ate
Saya-saya
masaya
na ako
din.
dito eh. Oh my
Tumatahimik
goodness.
na si ate kanina.
Oo eh.
Pero, ikaw, how's your heart?
So, yun nga, pare.
Kundi kasama tatay dito, wait lang.
I don't know. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm happy now.
Pangalanan na natin.
I'm very happy, and I think I'm at a level of peace that I have never achieved yet in my life. So, yeah, and I think I want to...
Can I say a name?
Ay, wag na. Naku po, wag na lang po.
Lima lang tayo nag-uusap dito.
Wag na lang po. Diyos ko po.
5 at mga 10 million pa. Or more.
Ito kasi,
Wait, I just wanted to know, nanliligaw pa ba or kayo na?
Ha? Hello? Ay, okay. Paano ba to?
I'll answer.
No, kasi-
I'll answer for because before, kasi wala na sila sa stage na sobrang protective sila ni Papa Z, Mama Z. What they don't know, sa lahat ng nililigaw kay Cassie, ako yung pinaka-protector. Alam nila, shucks, natakot ako kay Papa Z.
Sa approve ka dito?
No. No, there are things because Sir Nelson, yung lalaki din kasi ako eh. So,
Yeah.
I know ano yung mga galawang lalaki. You know, and I know yung pag-isip ng lalaki. So, alam ko pag may
So has
konting galaw na
to
gano'n.
walk past that.
Yes, it has to because in every day, it's not because hinihinder ko si Cassie na to go through that pain or whatever. I let her. She has to go through all that para malaman niya in the future na hindi na maulit yung ganong klaseng lalaki or scenario whatsoever. Pero before they even step in the house, pag di approve sa akin, di talaga
At sinasabi
pwede.
talaga niya.
Sinasabi
Pero
niya
yun yung
talaga.
sinasabi mo yun sa kambal, they have this understanding.
Certain language.
They have a connection. O ngayon, mabalik lang tayo dun sa tanong mo. Ako na rin yung sasagot. Kasi parang parang ganito. Nandun ngayon sa point si Cassie na walang ligaw-ligaw, walang relationship. She's single and she's happy. And ito kasi yung natatandaan kong sinabi niya na nandun daw siya sa point sa buhay niya na I'm going to love myself first and I'm thankful because of the blessings na nakukuha niya, and she wants to concentrate dun sa work na binibigay sa kanya. So walang ligaw, walang relationship.
So, in also connection to that, sorry, kasi si Cassie pagdating sa mga tanong na ganun,
Nararatel.
we know the answer because she's so open with us, kaya kami yung sumasagot.
Kaya alam namin.
Yeah, so it's more on hindi niya reject. It's just that she's not in that part of her life.
At saka marami siyang gustong gawin. In
Yeah.
terms of gustong gawin, mas marami tong gustong gawin kaysa sa kanya. Kumbaga, ito, ang dynamics nito, ang daming gustong gawin. Kung siya gusto umacting, that's it.
Business.
Ito, ang dami gusto nitong umacting, negosyo, yung podcast niya, ang dami. So, nandun siya ngayon sa panahon na gagawin ko muna to. At
Ako muna.
At saka yung actually, ang dami na nitong binasted. Hindi, ito.
Wait. Okay, now I will explain.
Okay,
ito na.
Dito na yung tanong ko, ilan doon ang artista?
So, ito na. Okay, so, you know, if
Marami-rami.
there are...
Marami
if there,
na-
ito na,
okay,
dali lang.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
so, if there are guys, yun nga, I don't reject naman. It's fine. I don't
You make
close
friends
any
with
doors.
them.
I make friends with them, but I also let them know na ito yung priorities ko. So, kayo na bahala if you want to continue making
If they can
ligaw.
wait.
And if you can wait or something. And ako kasi, paano ba? Like what my dad said, diba, I want to do so many things. But I'm a firm believer na if I want something, I can get it. If I want 2 things, 3 things, I will get those 3 things. So, kung kaya kong, sorry ha, sorry, kung kaya kong sabayan yung love life and career, then
Pwede
kakayanin,
naman.
kaya kong gawin.
Yeah.
If I want to,
In your
but I won't
sweet time,
force
no?
it. Yes, but I will take my time. I will take my time
But
to
for
get
now, she
there.
doesn't have a free time.
But ngayon, wala po akong free time.
Spoken like a true dad.
Kaya kami nagsumasagot para kay Cassie. Ito po yung calling card ng management po natin. Pero kami pa yung manager ni Cassie.
Ang dami
no?
ko.
My last question is for you. Having said all that, no, how proud are you seeing these kids na naging ganito sila?
I am very proud. Siguro, beyond words eh. I don't think merong right word or appropriate word for super proud, but I am truly, truly proud of them. That's why siguro ganito yung dynamics namin because the trust is there, yung respeto, yung parang pag nag-usap kami ni Zoren, yung parang, tatay, I think we did a good job, ah. Yung parang, kasi nga, itong mga to, pag meron kaming nakakome across na mga colleagues, mga kaibigan, at sinasabing, ay, nakita ko yung mga anak mo, ang babait nila, ang respeto, magalang, all nice words. So sabi ko nga, yun yung reward ng mga magulang kapag pinupuri na yung mga anak namin ng ibang tao. Very thankful kami na hindi na pariwara yung buhay nila. They know what they want. And they're very appreciative, they're very grateful with what they have. Simple things, big things. Kaya parang feeling ko, kung ano man yung unos na dumating sa buhay namin, it really made us even stronger. Doon mo masasabi na through thick and thin, magkasama kaming pamilya. At siguro kaya din na-overcome namin yung mga trials is because we have one another. Yung kumbaga nag-fail man yung isa, walang sumbat o walang pagsisisi. Ikaw ka naman kasi. Wala.
Walang iwanan.
Walang ganun because it's part of growing up. It's part of life. Kahit kami na matanda na, we still make mistakes. At hindi namin kinakahiya yun. It's how you're gonna deal with the mistake, yung failures mo. At yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, it's okay to fail. Basta meron kayong lessons learned. So, kami, yun talagang, there's inner peace, inner joy. Yun yung nararamdaman namin as parents and as a family. So, I'm really, really proud of you guys. And I'm thankful na kayo talaga yung binigay ng Diyos sa amin. I really cannot ask for anything more. Talagang I'm happy and blessed. And I love you guys. You know that.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you, thank you.
At to add do sa kinuwento niya, no, recently kasi nag-shutdown yung, pakikita ko lang yung personality ng dalawa. Nag-shutdown yung van. So, recently yan, may promo pa kami. So, kasabay ko si Maverick pero nag-shutdown yung van.
In short, tumirik.
Oo, direct. So, makikita mo, kasi ako iba kasi ako eh. I'm not a psychologist or a psychiatrist na, okay, inhale, exhale. Eh, hindi ako ganun. No! Get up! Get up right now! Ganun naman ako. Hindi ako, ganun ako. Pero si Maverick, nakita ko, kung paano siya ganun ka-concerned sa dalawa kay Cassie, sa nanay niya. Sabi niya, kawawa naman yung dalawa. Ganun siya. Paulit-ulit niya sinasabi, nandun kami. Sabi ko, okay, ganun ka-concern to. So, makikita mo yung concern niya. So, very concerning tong bata na yan. Very sensitive yan at saka...
Compassionate.
Oo, emotional siya. At saka, yeah, ganun siya. With her naman, I was hospitalized for almost a month dahil nagkaroon ako ng accident. Siguro 4 years ago na to. Tapos nagko-COVID ako. So, I stayed in a hospital for a month. You know, lumabas ako. Siya nagbayad. Na hindi ko alam hanggang ngayon.
Hindi namin, kahit ako, hindi ko alam
Yeah.
that time.
Sinikreto
Hindi
lang
ka pa
niya.
ma-proud nun, ewan ko lang.
Exactly.
Yeah, hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam kung magkano yun. Kasi hindi ko mahugot yung bill dahil pinatago niya na.
Ganon sila din ka-generous.
So makikita mo yung personality ng dalawa. So kung tinatanong mo kami kung gaano kami ka-proud, I mean,
Beyond words.
I am at peace because pag tanda ko,
Medyo teary-eyed ka.
yeah, when I'm crippled and hindi na ako makalakad, alam mo nandyan sila na hindi kami pababayaan.
O, bakit ako yung naiiyak? Hala, ako din.
So, yun yung isang wish ng magulang.
I know.
Yung, kasi,
Ano ba yan?
kasi pag,
Hindi to Nelson kasi.
Yun yung fear ng mga magulang eh. Minsan pagtanda, di ba? Sabihin, sino mag-aalaga sa akin? Ganyan, ganyan. Ako, I am at peace dahil alam ko alagaan kami nitong dalawa.
You know, ito lang. I will end this by saying this. I've had a lot of interviews about people who are in love, about, interviewing families as a whole. But I have never felt this much love during an interview. When you started tearing up, everybody felt that way. Grabe. Kinikilabutan ako until now. There's so much love in this family. Congratulations, the both.
Thank you, Sir
Thank you,
Nelson.
thank you.